Hi guys, my name is Paige Compton and welcome to my artist channel. I like to bring art and creativity on the regular, and today what we're going to be doing is diving into the one marker artist challenge. So what I'll be doing is closing my eyes and selecting one of these Copic Ciao markers at random and seeing what we can make out of it, if we can make a masterpiece today. I'm interested to seeing how far we can stretch the pigment in these markers. Maybe going to be pulling out some nail polish remover as alcohol to help pull out the pigment and make different washes of the same pen. See if we can get some different values. In addition to that, I'm going to be using this canson paper. It's mixed media paper. I did want to do this on my sketchbook just so I had it for reference in the future. And easily accessible to me, but I think I needed something heavier for this if I'm going to just be laying on the marker over and over again to try to get the color as deep as I need it for whatever piece I decide to create. So that's the canvas we're using today. And then in addition, I'm using the Tombow liner. This is what it looks like. This one's the blue one. I think it's the finer tip pen, so a little less flexibility with the line weight, and then also just using a white gel liner just to finish off some highlights. So using all one marker, but for the line art, not going to make the line art the same color as the marker. So let's dive on into it. Right before we get started, if you want to follow me on my other media channels, they will be right down here in the bottom left hand corner, and hit that like button down below if you guys like this video, and hit subscribe if you want to see more content by me. And last but not least, let's just dive on right into it. Alright, so I'm nervous. I've never done something like this before, and I don't like to be limited by the amount of colors I can use, so let's see what we can get. I'm covering my eyes. I would use a blindfold, but I don't own a blindfold, so you know what? I have a bandana I can use. One moment. Okay, and we're back, and I can't see a thing. Let's see what we end up with. I think I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so this is the color I'm selecting. Let's see what it is. Okay. Ew! Ew! Pine tree green. Ew. Literally, I could have picked anything else, but this is pretty much the darkest color in the whole container. Oh my lord. Okay. Well, oh, I have no idea what I'm going to do with this, but we will find out. Well, let's dive on into it. I'm going to try to make a sketch or doodle that will complement this color well. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. Maybe this video won't even go up, but this will definitely be a challenge. It matches me almost today, so let's dive on into it. All right, see you in the drawing. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. It was so much fun creating this piece today. It was definitely very difficult to make a monochromatic look with just that one marker, and this is not a color I would pick typically as, you know, my favorite color in the whole wide world, so that was a challenge, and I had to rely on the line art a lot more in this piece. I didn't get a huge range of tonal values. I pretty much just got dark and light with the rubbing alcohol, and then in the hair, if you go over it a couple times, you can get a darker value. But I think this turned out pretty cool. I think it's a pretty cool piece. And please try this challenge at home. It was so much fun. You can use alcoholic-based markers or water-based markers for this challenge. Or use another medium that works well for you. It's good for people of all ages, and if you do make your own creation, feel free to message me on Instagram or tag me in it, and I would love to see the pieces you guys create. So thank you once again so much for watching. Stay tuned for future challenges and art videos and tutorials brought to you by yours truly, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, thank you guys, bye!